What's the meaning of complaisance? Complaisance. Complaisance.
Complaisance. Complaisance. Complaisance is defined as a willingness to please or comply with others. It refers to a friendly, cooperative, and accommodating attitude towards others. People who are complacent tend to put the needs and desires of others before their own, often at the expense of their own interests. This behavior can be seen as both positive and negative depending on the situation. On the positive side, it can lead to harmonious relationships and social success. However, on the negative side, it can also lead to exploitation and an inability to assert oneself.